How many apps pay you for using them? This video is no nonsense and straight to the point. I posted 6 ways to make $100 at the end of January 26th. How many of you take serious action? Comment below. I've already warned you that this app has huge potential to make you free money on cryptocurrency for doing nothing. How many creators have you watched who share the real way to make money online for free? Comment below. Kratos is a V2E, vote to earn cryptocurrency, designed to facilitate citizen participation in the Kratos mobile app, a real-time live vote platform. The app is from Korea, and already more than 300,000 users have downloaded this app, and more than 200,000 users are already registered and using it. The app is already listed on big exchanges like Huobi Global, Gate.io, and Bitmart. These are the top 10 exchanges in the world. Where can you buy and sell crypto legally? Binance and Coinbase will be the next big ones. If it is listed, then this crypto is sure to go to the moon. If you register for the first time, you will receive 500 Kratos. And for each vote, you will receive 2 Kratos daily. And for each comment, you will receive an extra 5 Kratos and 25 Kratos tokens for vote generation. Overall, you will receive 675 Kratos tokens. You also stand to win an extra Kratos token as a reward if your post is selected. You can look at all the token allocations for this token. Everything is transparent in white paper. You can visit the official website of this token and read all the information. Everything is fully transparent in the white paper. I will leave the official link in the description for those who are interested in reading the white paper. Let me show you the chart. From January 26th to April 2nd, this crypto is up 748.51%. 7x return on your investment for doing nothing for the last 67 days. How many investments and apps give you this type of return? Comment. Everything is officially available on the internet. You can check yourself. All the information is available. My crypto was worth 18 USD back on January 26th. Now it is worth 144 USD. 8x return on the investment for using it for 3 minutes. Tell me how many apps pay you for using them for only 3 minutes. The funny thing about most of the finance YouTubers who make videos on how to make money online is that they don't have any practical knowledge of making money online. They just watched some of the random videos on YouTube and copied each other. No new content, no knowledge, and no real proof, full of bullshit content. Let me show you how tokens are allocated to their users. If you are experiencing this app for the first time, you need to have an account. You can make one easily with Gmail. Sign up using my referral. It gives you an extra Kratos token in your wallet for the new user. I believe you have created an account using my referral. Now let me guide you. Any user can post 1 post per day. The most popular posts are shown in the popular section. If your post gets good engagement, an extra token will be added to your account. You can also participate in the vote. Select one of the options and click to vote. An extra Kratos token will be added to your account. Comment on the post. For each comment, you get an extra 5 Kratos tokens maximum. You can earn 10 Kratos tokens from the comment. Kratos has recently updated its daily reward. The last time I made the video was on January 26th. At that time, if you have signed up by watching my video, you have already earned 26,000 plus Kratos tokens. Now you can only earn 140 Kratos tokens daily, as per the new update. When I posted that video, my Kratos token was 75,472. Right now, 102,082. You can pause the video and calculate yourself. You can participate in the official Kratos Global, and for each vote, you will receive an extra 100 Kratos tokens. To withdraw, you need a minimum of 50,000 Kratos tokens in your Kratos wallet, which I already mentioned in my last video. You can withdraw directly from the Kratos app to the exchange or from DEX, like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. I will not withdraw my Kratos token. BTC halving is near. The Bitcoin ETF is approved. The bull market is slowly showing a positive impact on the market. The overall financial market is bullish. BTC has already hit an all-time high of 73,738 USD. With all the positive news, I'm sure Kratos still has the potential to grow 3 to 4 times from its current market price. I will show my withdrawal proof video when I withdraw my Kratos token to my Binance wallet. By the way, I have already turned my $4.36 into $21 from trading. Within 24 days, I had already gained over 359%. I will break down all the trades, all the profit and loss in my upcoming video when I turn my $4 into $100. So stay tuned. I will share all the knowledge and tips to grow your small account to thousands of dollars. If this video goes viral, I will share my complete blueprint for free in online make money content for 8 years. Share this video with your friends and family. Comment blueprint, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make this video go viral.